Not particularly.
This is like junior. I forgot.
Yeah.
You don't see anything you like?
No, not really.
That? Oh, not that. That?
I don't have anything to wear it under.
Jeans.
I love this. This is what I want.
You do?
No.
Oh. I was gonna say. I didn't think.
Kinda never know, right?
Yeah. What about that?
No.
It's kinda cute.
It's kinda not.
Kinda not, but kinda cute. That one?
No.
No. Nothing. What about that one? Those? I don't have
No,
much
not
on
really.
clearance. What about this one? No.
You just bought 2 dresses exactly like that.
I know, I know, Raylan. Mouth. 15, 16. Okay. Let's
I'm
go
trying
back
to get
in.
you in the frame too, and you keep moving.
Oh, I'm trying to hurry.
You're trying to get away from me, that's what you're doing.
Yeah, I don't like to be on. Ooh, I kind of like that.
No.
I wonder if Mom would for her birthday. Or would it fit her? She's kind of fat now.
On video.
Oh. Oh, wait a minute. There were some dresses back here. Please.
My arm's falling asleep.
Huh?
My arm's falling asleep.
Your arm's falling asleep? Any of these?
Oh, that's pretty. I have nothing to wear it to, though.
No.
But hey, it's pretty.
It is pretty. That's cute.
Who would wear it?
I don't
And
know.
when would we wear it?
Huh? These are darling.
The puppy pajamas?
Uh-huh. They're still kind of high, though, I think.
Oh, $3. I'm just kidding.
3.24 try.
For that?
Yeah.
Why?
Any of these?
Bra shopping. I like that one. That looks exactly like my other one. And the straps are too long, so I don't wear it.
What about that one? 34B.
Okay, I guess.
Huh?
Eh.
No. What about this one? Because you get 2. They had it in your size. Oh, no, they didn't. A blue one. Wait a minute. What's this one? You got enough brown ones, though, don't you? 36B. This one. I think they had it in your size.
That looks kind of small.
Well, it isn't your size. 36B, that is. Like that one?
This one.
The blue.
I have one just like it, and I said the straps are too long, so I don't wear it. You need to fix that for me.
What are these? My size?
Is that an outfit for your dog?
38B, yeah. Yes, they are.
Isn't it cute?
Uh-huh.
Can we get Gidget one? Oh, they're too small.
That's an extra small, and this one is a small.
Gidget's like a large. No, I'm just kidding.
I
Gidget's
bet
like
you
a
should wear this one. I like the black one, though.
houndstooth.
Uh-huh.
Hey, look, my shirt's kind of
They
houndstoothy.
have this in your size. 36B?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
You get 2.
Mm-hmm.
You want those?
Yeah.
Okay. They got underwires.
I like underwire.
See, this is what I was looking for. Pajamas,
Now all of
but
YouTube knows that I like underwear.
They're all smalls.
Do you think the video's long enough now? I think it's like 5 minutes long. Let me say goodbye.
Bye.
I'm over here. It's over here.
Bye.